My name is Lillie Hobden from Harbour. I'm performing in section number 823, vocal solo 13 and 14 years, as competitor number 1. Today I'll be singing for you a song from film. The song is Feed the Birds from Mary Poppins. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. She's